Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As I promised last week, I'll be showing you how to make two beautiful desserts. So before going to the action, today I'm going to request all my viewers to please like, subscribe, comment and share and give your view so that in the coming following days you can follow more recipes and cook everything very easily at home. So firstly, make all the ingredients ready. Gelatin powder, icing sugar, fresh berries, orange, dried apricots, fresh mint, त्यस्तै गरी passion fruit pulp, caster sugar, cup of frozen berries, thickened cream, some meringue, pinch of saffron, some star anise, and some vanilla beans. So let's start with the vanilla bean panacotta. It is take times about 4 hours to be perfectly stable. Cream को लागि एउटा pot राख्नुस्. Make sure the pot is hot. 500 ml of cream. Extract the vanilla bean from the vanilla. Pour the cream in the pot. Make sure you don't boil it. Add 3 spoons of sugar. Whisk it. Bring it to simmer. Add some vanilla syrup and put it on the side to cool it down. After that, just strain the mix. Make the gelatin on side. 2 tablespoons of gelatin powder with 3 spoons of water. Mix it together. Now pour the mix in the ramekins and put it in the freeze for 4 hours to make it stable. So now for berry coulis, now hot pan again. 50 ml of fresh orange juice. Stir anise. Tablespoon of sugar. Frozen mixed berries in the pan. Add some water, half a cup. Bring it to simmer and reduce it. Add some fresh fruits. One more spoon of sugar. Oranges on the top. Berry coulis is almost ready to be served. Look at the beautiful color and texture. Now for the puree, put some berry coulis on the side. Puree it and strain it. Make sure it's perfect on texture. After that, I'm gonna make whipped cream, which is normally called chantilly. Take 500 ml of cream. Whisk it, add some caster sugar, 2 tablespoons, and 2 drops of vanilla syrup. Make sure the cream looks like this. Chop some fresh strawberries for this Eton maize. Crush some meringue. So here we're preparing a beautiful dessert from England, which is called Eton maize. Make sure you have that chunks on the ball of the meringue. Add whipped cream to a scoop. Mix it gently. Add some fresh fruits, strawberries. And make sure you mix it gently. Just fold it. Now it's the amazing part. Add berry coulis to the mix. Look at the beautiful color. Now again, mix it gently. Make sure that you still have that chunks of meringue. So now after that, it's time for plating. So slowly, let's make the plate ready. Some designs. So plating is basically, it's up to you how you do it. So Eton maize, some fresh strawberries, fresh cherries on the top, berry coulis for garnish, and with a touch of mint. Icing sugar on the top. And your Eton maize is ready to be served. Pour the passion fruit pulp and syrup in the preheated pan. Make sure you don't burn it. Nicely. Add crushed sugar, 2 spoons. Some lemon zest on the top. Now your Panacotta is finally ready. Put it in warm water so that it will come out easily. So time for plating for Panacotta. Gently. Make sure you have that fluffiness. Some berry coulis. Cherries on the top. Fresh mint to garnish. Now for passion fruit Panacotta. Just garnish with fresh mint and berries. Icing sugar on the top. And your Panacotta, vanilla bean Panacotta and passion fruit Panacotta is ready to be served. I hope after watching this video you guys feel confident enough to cook Makes Beautiful Dessert yourself at home. Thank you so much for watching us. Stay tuned for more videos. Stay safe guys. Thank you.